Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare pineapple water. Pineapple water is a little bit tricky to prepare, and this is because the skin of the pineapple is quite hard. So the first thing that you need to do is to peel off the pineapple. You have to be very careful because as it's sweet and slimy, the knife could slide and cause an accident. So first of all, you start with the top bit and a bottom bit, and you could cut them off. Then you start on the sides. After you have cut some of the side pieces, then you will see that it starts getting like a more square shape, and that makes it easier to cut through. You also have to be careful because if you could cut too much of the pineapple, then you will end up with just a little amount of pineapple left for the water. As you can see there, there's a center. You can see the little round thing. We don't recommend to eat the center because it has an effect on your tongue. It makes it feel like weird. And as well, pineapple is a very good laxative. So if you have too much pineapple, you can get belly ache or diarrhea. So once you have peeled off the pineapple, you have to start cutting slices, and then you have to cut it in chunks. And the reason for this is that you are gonna put this through the blender machine, and it's always better to help the blender to make to work properly, because these pieces are way too big. You don't want them to get stuck or to be messing with the blender. So once you have cut the pineapple chunks, then you have to add a little bit of water, and this is because you don't want to run a blender machine on dry stuff. So you stop the blender machine, then you add the extra water. The amount of water that you need to put is like, I would always suggest to put more than half of the glass that you are using, because that way you can make sure there's enough liquid to blend the solid material. So you blend it for around 45 to 1 minute, 41 seconds to 1 minute, and then there you go. You need a colander, and this is because the liquid, as you can see, there's lots of liquid in the colander, but just a little bit is coming down, and this is because of all the fiber. The pineapple is makes a really thick mix. So you need a spoon, and you need to stir it so that all the liquid keeps on coming down. So after you have done this, you have to add extra water, and then as you will see, it's ready.